What's up, everybody? Alexandra here, and I'm super excited for today's video because we're going to be unboxing a new subscription box, and apparently this is a good replacement for the Allure beauty box. Now, as you guys know, I finally had to cancel Allure. I know, it was such a shame, but they just weren't really bringing it. Ever since they did the price increase to $23, they just kept the same $15 boxes. It just was like $8 or $9 more. And I would even go as far to say that they even went a little downhill after the price increase. I don't know. Let me know what you think down below. But according to many of you guys, Macy's Beauty Box took a break because of Miss Rona and came back with a bang. So I'm really excited. I've never unboxed this box before, so it's completely new to me and this channel. And I'm really excited to see what they have to offer for $15 as well. So if you guys are ready, let's do this. So Macy's Beauty Box has apparently been around for a while now, but again, they did take a break because of COVID and everything going on with that, and now apparently they are back, and according to many of you guys, better than ever. So we're gonna see about that. Now, this is how the box came. I went ahead and marked out my little address and all that for you guys, but this is how she came. So I figured I would wait for you guys and we would open her up together. So I don't know if there's like another box inside here. Okay, so this, oh my gosh, stuff just fell out. Stuff just fell out. Okay, so it looks like there's like a little bag in here as well. There's a little card. Let's see what the card has to say. And then a roll. A rule. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot. So with the Macy's Beauty Box, apparently you also get a $5 off your next beauty purchase from Macy's, which, hey, love that. God knows I spend a lot at Macy's. And then it looks like there are the products here. So we're gonna, oh my gosh, so much tissue paper. I mean, like, look, I'm just saying, like, this is how much tissue paper before we get the products here, people. So I feel like that's just a lot, right? Is that just me? Maybe I'm just looking at it like that. Okay. So from what I understand and other unboxings that I've seen, you're supposed to get 5 products. Sometimes you get full size. Most of this is like deluxe sample size products. And then you get like a freebie item, like a bag or something like that. So I'm guessing this is the freebie item. And from what I've heard from other people, they said the perfume item is not counted. Oh, okay. I was gonna say, I think I got gypped, you guys. But no, there was an item inside an item here. So you also apparently sometimes get perfume samples and stuff like this. So this is the perfume sample that we got. This is called Clean Reserve Avant Garden Collection. And I've never heard of this brand before, but I'm guessing it's some fancy, spancy, pantsy stuff at Macy's. Oh my God, this smells like something my grandma would wear. I'm not even joking. Hang on. I'm gonna. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's not for me. I like some florally scents, but I am so picky about scents, you guys. Like, so picky. But yeah, that's a little florally and spicy. It's definitely got, it's got some spicy to it. I don't know how I feel about the spicy. I don't think I like the spicy. All right, so the next product we have here is from Claudely. This is the Vino Perfect Radiance Serum. So that is what it looks like. Hold on, that can't be right. Okay, because I can kind of see where it's at inside the bottle. And I'm not even joking, you guys, like, not at all. It literally looks like it's filled to about right here. Let's see. Is it sealed? Is it sealed? Yeah, it's sealed. Holy cow. Can you guys see that? Yeah. I mean, like, you can hear it sloshing around in there. So, I mean, there's a lot of space. There's a lot of space there. Okay, moving on. The next thing we have here is from Elemis, and this is the Papaya Enzyme Peel Enzymatic Cream Exfoliator Advanced Skincare. So we've been getting a lot of Elemis, it seems like, in a lot of boxes. Like, is it just me? I feel like we've been getting a lot of Elemis. So as I've said in previous videos, Elemis is kind of hit or miss for me. Some of their products are amazing. some of them are amazingly awful. You know what I mean? Like, I can't even believe it gets that bad, that kind of thing. So again, this does come sealed. So, yeah, I don't know. I have to get back to you on this one. The next thing I do know, and I'm very aware, yeah, and see this? Like, look, you can't hear me shake this. This feels nice and heavy. This feels like paper, oh my gosh, paper lights. So that Claw de Lys bottle, I swear to God, you guys, is like damn near empty. Okay, so this is the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. This is an amazing moisturizer, like no joke. Even if you don't use it on yourself, like if you have kids, this is the one you want. The one thing I love about First Aid Beauty, just in general, is how well they formulate their products. Like, it is so clean. It's great for sensitive skin. Like, honestly, I'm not even going to use this because I'm going to save this for my son. My son has keratosis pilaris on the back of his arms, just the same as I do. I can't use their other stuff because it's just, you know, it's too gritty for him. He's too young for that. But something like this is great for like his eczema and other stuff that he has. So I'm going to keep this for him. So again, if you have super sensitive skin, First Aid Beauty is definitely a brand and skincare products that I would for sure look into, or even your kids for that matter. Like, if you know, you want to be like fancy pantsy with them, you know what I'm saying? Because honestly, the stuff that it's at Walmart, I wouldn't put on my kid anyways. That's just me. All right. The next product we have is from Perricone MD. And this is the Hyperallergenic CBD Sensitive Skin Therapy Soothing and Hydrating Eye Cream. So Perricone MD is at Ulta, it's at Sephora, it's at obviously Macy's. Super, super expensive brand. I myself, like, some of their products are totally worth the price point, but some of them are just really not. You know what I mean? So it's hit or miss for me. I don't know about this one. I have to give it a try. It does look really, really nice. And sorry, I just looked down at this card. We're going to talk about this card here in just a minute. All right, the next and I think last product here, am I right? Yeah, last product here we have is by Sundari, and this is the Chamomile Eye Oil for fine lines, wrinkles, and crow's feet. Performance tested. Place one drop on your finger and gently press around the eye orbit. So I've seen this company before. Not very familiar with them, but I am like I have seen them before. And I want to say it was actually at Macy's. Not big on chamomile in my skincare or even around my eyes. So I will probably pass this along to a friend. Let me grab this other product and then we're going to talk about this right here. All right, so I was a little confused when I read this this little card here, and let me just get it up close so you guys can see. So right there it says that the value is $111. And I thought, okay, maybe they were talking about the value of all the products. If they were all full size, that this would be $111. But no, they actually have the full size like pricing right here. So if you were to get this in a full size, it's $49. If you were to get the Claw de Lys full size and a completely filled bottle, it would be $79. The Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel is $45. You know what I'm saying? So with just those three products alone, full size would be well over $111. So obviously they mean, like, I guess all of this is equal to $111, which I don't agree with. I'm sorry, Macy's, I love you. I love shopping with you, but this first impressions, this is terrible. This is terrible. I don't feel like I got $15 worth on this. I mean, honestly, like if there would have been one full-size product in here, okay, maybe. But, I mean, some of these products were really generous sizes. And you could even say this is a, you know, $3 more than Ipsy. So you're getting a little bit more. So you got a couple extra products than you would in an Ipsy box for that $3 extra. So I don't know, maybe it's worth $15. Let me know what your opinion is of this down below. The other thing is, I mean, I've seen previous unboxings of this, and I normally don't watch unboxings, but many of you guys had said, have you seen the recent Macy's Beauty Box since they've come back after COVID? I was like, no, should I? So I got on and I watched a couple, actually from, I think, what is her name? Chrissy Hardless, I want to say. And the boxes that she got in, I think it was December and January, were amazeballs. They were amazeballs. So I'm like, okay, I can get on board with this. So I signed up for it. I signed up for it back in January. That's the thing about this box. Whenever you sign up for it, you don't get it until the following month. So if you sign up in February, you're not going to get February's box. You're not going to get a box until like March. So that's the other thing with this. It did take me a little bit, and I didn't even think I was going to get February's box because they sent me an email and told me I wasn't getting it. And then all of a sudden I got charged for it and they shipped it out. So I'm like, okay, awesome. It was a nice surprise, but I don't know. I'm going to have to check this out for a couple more months. The other thing is, this was all skincare. Like, there was not one makeup item in this entire box. So I kind of feel like this is not really Macy's beauty box so much as it is Macy's skincare box. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? All right. So now really quickly, I'm going to set this stuff down and I want to show you guys this. So I know I don't get personal on here very often, which is my bad. It's just, it's hard to, when you're having a hard time at home, behind the scenes, to portray that on camera because you don't want to bring other people down. But I've been having a little bit of a rough time, even though we went on vacation and all that, and that was a great pick-me-up, don't get me wrong. Needed it. Hella needed it. But I have been having a little bit of a hard time, and I started filming this video today, and midway through, my little Ring doorbell went off, and there was a guy, actually kind of cute guy, standing there holding this little package right here. And I was like, what in the world? So it's from my friend Michelle, and I'm going to have to blur that out because it's got my address on the front. But you guys, so it says on here, Alex, things will get better. Love, Michelle. And you guys, if you have a friend like this in your life, cherish them. Keep them close, because I can't even tell you what this means to me. And I know she's watching out there, and I'm not going to get teary-eyed, even though it's hard to hold them back, but I'm not going to get teary-eyed on you. But I don't even know what's in here. I told her, I'm like, you know what? I'm not opening this until I start filming because I wanted her to see, and it just means the world to me. It really does. All right, let's see what she got. Oh my God. Oh my God, they're freaking lemon bars. Oh my gosh. So you guys, I don't like sweets. I don't like sweets. If you haven't met me, hi, my name's Alex, and I don't like sweets. I rarely eat sweets. I love really, really tart things. My favorite pie is a lemon meringue pie, and my favorite cookie or anything is the lemon bar. And there is this little pastry shop here. If you're ever in Dayton, Ohio, go to a pastry shop. It's called Ashley's. It is the most amazing, amazing pastry shop you will ever bite into, or food. I guess their food is amazing. Okay, let's just say that their food is amazing, and they make the best lemon bars. Oh my God! And it's like a whole thing of them. Girl, you know this is gonna go right to my butt, right? Oh my God, I don't think I'm gonna be able to fit into clothes next week, but these are so good. Okay. Michelle, I love you, but I hate you. You know I'm gonna eat this whole thing at like 3 a.m., right? You know that's what's gonna happen. I might be able to make this through 2 nights. Okay, I love you so much, though. Thank you so much for doing this. I can't believe you. Stinker, you. Okay, so that is all I have for you guys today. But really quickly, if you're still watching this, I don't know how you're still watching this, watching me have a breakdown and turn into a fat pig. But either way, if you're still watching this, I am working on an investigative video for Truly Beauty. More specifically, their Mary Jane CBD serum. If any of you guys have had any problems, and I'll put a picture of it right here. If any of you guys have had any problems with this company or with this serum, you probably might already know what I'm talking about. Hit me up. Big video coming. Hopefully it should be out not this week, but not this weekend and this week, because I'm literally filming, putting everything together, because I've already reached out to them, collected evidence, all of that kind of stuff. So if you have any complaints about them or questions or what have you, or problems, please hit me up, email me, DM me. I'll leave all the information down below in the description box. But yeah, this is bad, you guys. It's kind of crappy what this company is doing, and I think people definitely need to know about it. So that's what we do here, right? All right, so that is all I have for you guys today. Until next time, see ya.